see that? The girl, the beautiful girl.
That was incredible.
Where did she come from?
And you? Did you see her?
She was there, above the village.
She was asleep.
But why? And how?
Please come back. Where have you gone?
What is he doing? Lee, come back!
Dad, come back!
Is it me you're looking for? No, I'm looking for an angel.
Oh, then it's me!
No, she's a beautiful girl.
Did you say beautiful? Ah, it would be me then.
It's me.
Oh, no, it's me.
It's me.
Oh, no,
It's me.
It's me!
It's me. Me. It's me.
It's me, you're not the one, it's me.
It's me!
It's me, not you. It's me. You know my name. I'm Oscar, and I have always lived here. So I know many things. Huh?
I also know who you're looking for.
Who is she? Where is she?
Well, she's Princess Annie. But finding her is not going to be that
Mermaid dah.
You won't find her! Take me!
No, take me.
Oh, no! Please! Take me!
Oscar, tell me where to find her.
Princess Annie fell asleep a long time ago. Your song made her appear, but she is still under the enchantment of the sleeping village. Shh.